What is Amazon FBA and how does it work? Amazon FBA, which stands for Fulfillment by Amazon, is a service that allows sellers to store their products in Amazon's warehouses while Amazon takes care of the entire fulfillment process, from packing and shipping to handling customer service and returns. This means that when customers place an order, Amazon automatically processes it, ensuring quick delivery through its Prime network and providing a seamless shopping experience. Here's how it works. Sellers send their inventory to Amazon's fulfillment centers, where products are scanned, stored, and managed. When a customer orders one of these products, Amazon picks it from the shelf, packs it professionally, and ships it directly to the buyer. The seller doesn't need to handle shipping or customer communication. Amazon's system does it all efficiently. Many successful sellers use Helium 10 to optimize their Amazon FBA journey. Helium 10 helps identify high-demand products, estimate FBA fees, track sales performance, and find profitable keywords. By combining Helium 10's analytics with FBA's automated logistics, sellers can make smarter product decisions, increase profitability, and scale their business globally with confidence. You can start using Helium 10 for free right now by clicking the link in our description. It gives you instant access to all the tools you need to research profitable FBA products, track performance, and grow your Amazon business efficiently at no cost.